that noise is we're doing the strut mounts right now. I had to replace them because apparently they were so worn out they couldn't even align the car. So they're gonna go, we're doing that right now. We already have one on. The camera was charging, so I had to do that. You got it?
I don't want to break your brake lines.
Dude, sorry. It's okay. Dude, just break them.
Oh, okay, that's a good idea.
Well, whenever I plugged it in, the little meter said low, and then I came back the next morning and it was even lower.
Huh. The battery may be shot too. That'd be the only thing that's wrong.
No, the
alternator's not charging it.
Yeah, the alternator's not charging.
You should hear it. You can hear it squeak. It sounds like a supercharger.
The alternator?
Yeah.
Yeah, the alternator's bad. I have to replace the alternator. I'll probably end up replacing the battery as well.
Yeah, it's got an alternator and a battery because it probably killed the battery.
Yeah, that's what I figured.
Same time. I don't know. Well, yeah, that's not so well Andy, but yeah, it's got the car there because Andy's got one of those testers so you can check it.
Will you hold the thing going? Oh, okay, never mind.
Call me later once you get the car down and see what's going to happen.
Okay, I'll let you know what I'm gonna do.
Keep her from walking.
He's got rides. We're good. Okay, bye.
Boss?
I can't hear you. Bus here.
Motherfucker. Oh my god, I see it.
Holy came in that one.
Oh shit. Let me
Did they come in the G, okay?
Yeah.
Oh god.
You guys ride stuff on it?
Yes. Oh fuck. What is this?
Fucking Whitesboro?
Fuck off, Whitesboro.
Can I get
What?
Whitesboro.
Oh, fuck.
I'm game through.
Oh, never mind. I totally wrote like a good head.
Can I?
Oh my god.
You're recording it?
This thing moved a lot faster than the dot. Oh fuck! It's so loud!
That was scary as fuck.
Some of them are silent.
Never seen like a train up close to before, ever.
There it is.